Hello, sir.
Hello, Kulumbai.
안녕하세요, sir, in your language. Sir, please, could you please give your introduction?
My name is Sungil Kim. I come from South Korea and I write science fiction, fantasy, and horror. I've been recently published in English, although I've been writing in Korean for a very long time. And I just, how should I say? This is my last day in Kokuraja Literary Festival.
So, so you are in a Bodo traditional dress. So, how does it feel to wear one? Is it comfortable, sir?
It is very comfortable and it's cool, and I feel like I'm important.
You are important, sir. So, you have been here for the last 3 days.
Yes.
Yeah, most probably. So, today is the last day. So, how does it feel? You know, you are going to leave this place. So, what are the things you will carry with you and share with you in your place?
When I was coming here, on my way here, I thought I was going to visit a place very different from my own, people very different from my own people. But when I came here, we have so much more in common than we have in differences. The food was very different, but I liked the food. It agreed with me. And the people looked kind of similar.
Yes. Exactly.
Compared to, say, people in Delhi or other places. They say that we share the same heritage somewhere far along the line.
Yeah.
And I felt that mostly in the Bodo music that I heard in accompanying dances, and I almost felt like I was listening to old Korean folk music.
Oh, yes.
So the similarities were such a surprise to me, and we also have a lot of common ground in terms of history, the struggles for freedom, for autonomy and independence. So I've learned a lot here about India in general, but Bodoland in specific. And that's what I'm going to take with me and tell people that I love.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming, sir. Sir, since you are a science fiction writer, in science, what kind of genre you like the most? As in, when you write fiction about science, about a fiction that relates about the distant future. So, what will you think about when you write one?
When I usually write about near future, about a couple of decades from now on. That's easier to imagine for me. Too far away, then it kind of loses touch with reality in my case. So, being here, having spent time here in Bodoland, in this Kokuraja Literary Festival, that gives me more ground to work on. So, people think fantasy and science fiction are removed from reality, but they aren't. All writing stems from reality. And I have gained more reality here in just 3 days.
Okay. So honestly, I have never seen a writer having big muscle and so fit. So what is the secret of being so fit?
I work out.
Okay. So could you please? Okay, sir.
I lift.
You lift.
And I watch what I eat.
Okay. So could you please flex your muscle once for a muscle? That's very cool, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Gesundung. Thank you.
I'm so